See, ang daming sasakyan today. They're all going to downtown Sendai. Hindi naman traffic. Ano lang yan, red light lang. Pero ang dami kasing sasakyan na all going to the same direction. Papunta na ako sa school for the Halloween event. But, kanina pa ako dito sa bus stop. Hindi dumating yung bus. Nag-skip siya. Supposedly, 11:06 yung bus. Before 11, nandito na ako. Hindi siya dumating. And now, it's almost 11:30, 11:36 yung susunod na bus. Sana dumating siya. Pagod na akong tumayo. Ayaw kasing umupo kasi ito lang yung upuan. Walang actual bench. Suot ko na yung pants ng aking costume. Ay, ito na yung bus. I'm here and suot ko na. Muntik pa akong lumampas kasi binivideo ko yung dinadaanan ng bus because it was quite scenic. Tapos lumampas pala siya dun sa isang bus station. Dire-diretso na siya. Buti nahabol ko yung pagpindot ng stop. Nakababa pa rin ako sa right bus station and nandito na ako sa school. Hindi ko na pala i-video yung festival kasi maraming kids and it's not safe. So yun lang. Tapos na. Ay, actually hindi pa tapos. But pauwi na ako. Nauna na ako kay Matt. Hindi ko na siya hihintayin kasi kailangan pa nilang magligpit. This is my costume. Perfect siya. Kasi biglang hindi naman umulan, pero umambo ng malakas. So nagamit yung hoodie. Actually, hindi masyadong malamig ngayon. It's 13 degrees. Pero naka-t-shirt nga lang ako kanina eh. Ewan ko, iba yung lamig today. It's just comfortable. Tapos nakalimutan kong i-video. Nag-haunted house kami. Pinawisan ako ng bongga. Natakot ako. Medyo naman siya. Okay naman siya for a student-made haunted house. It's mostly jump scare. Puro sigawan lang. Sigawan ka bigla doon sa loob. Wala ka nakikita. Kaya nakakatakot. Kasama ko naman si Matt. Hawak-hawak ko yung dalawang kamay niya. Tapos we're walking slowly. Mabilis lang siya. Siguro mga 2 minutes lang. So, ayun. So, now, dahil umambo na, minadali nila yung music presentation, which was nice. Sayang di ko pwedeng pakita. Kasi puro students yun. Cute. Ganda. Tapos, nagligpit na sila. Meron pang natitirang mga food booths. Pero maya-maya ililigpit na din nila yun. Kasi, hanggang 2:30 lang yung event. Magtuto na. Tapos, yung lahat sila, they need to clean up hanggang 3:30. Sabi ni Matt, umuwi na daw ako. So, uwi na ako. So, masaya siya. Pagdating ko dito, kasi nga magto-12 na. Gutom na gutom ako. So, kumain na rin ako doon. May mga food booths, madami. Madami siya in fairness. May may tteokbokki, may Japanese pancake, ano pa ba? May yakitori. Yung kinain ko hot dog at saka hamburger. Si Matt, chili dog at saka hamburger. Tapos meron pang candy apples, may french crepe. Hindi ko na inabutan yung french crepe kasi iniisip ko pang huli ko siya. E nung ready na akong kainin, wala na. Ano pa ba yung meron? May popcorn. Yun. Madami na rin siya for such a small school. Saya siya. Cute. Lahat nag-dress up. Yan. And this one is going to be very useful. Gagawin ko tong pambahay. Kasi it's so warm. It's nice. Now, waiting na lang for the bus. Sana hindi mag-skip yung bus this time. Sana dumating naman on time. It's 1:53. 1:56 or 57 yata yung next bus. Sana hindi mag-skip. Kasi pag nag-skip siya, yung susunod is at in 30 minutes pa. So, yun. Oh, well. Wala naman tayong gagawin. I'm home. Wala pa si Matt. Meron palang binigay na anong tawag dito? Map. Ito. Hindi ko napapakita yung harap. Kasi nandun yung name ng school. Yung Bouncy House. Nakita ko siya. Puro mga kindergarten yung nandun. Katabi niya yung haunted house. Parang nasa bandang likod na sila. So, may nag-iikot na student. Ginaguide yung mga tao kung saan. Kung gusto nila. Tapos, may pa film viewing. May photo booth. Tapos, may mga ganyan. Tapos, etong mga rooms yan. Yung trick or treat. Nakasara sila. Kakatok yung mga bata. Trick or treat. Ganyan. Tapos, sa loob yan ng school. Tapos, dito yung mga vendors. Dito si Matt. Kasi siya yung natoka na mag-barbecue ng burgers, ng burger patties. Pero for like an hour and a half lang. The rest, tumulong sa pag-setup. Tapos yan, burger, hot dogs, and all the other food. Tapos dito, yung ticket booth. Yung mga Japanese staff yun nandyan. Dito yung entrance ng school. Yeah. It's so cute, so small. Tea room, crumble. I hope there's a seat. Or we can sit outside, it's not hot. Super duper cute. Trick or treat. It says come in, we're open. Do you want to sit inside or outside? Yeah, oh, there is one. Arigato. Cute. Oh, that's a lot. Chai tea? Chai. Chai. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ang dami. We have Darjeeling. Is that how you pronounce it, babe? Darjeeling tea. Ang init. Scones.
What were you asking?
I said, how do you pronounce it? Darjeeling tea? Darjeeling? The kind of tea.
I have no idea.
It's Darjeeling. Or I don't know, Darjeeling.
Where do you get that word from?
That's the name of the tea.
Then you know more than I do. I've never heard that before.
Chai tea. Kulang pa.
Okay, so you're an expert at afternoon tea. Do we start top down or bottom up?
You choose whatever.
Okay.
It's the phone. It's getting hot. Alright. Cute. I don't know what this is. This
Carrot
is yeah, carrot cake.
Oh, you eat it way daintier than me. I'm literally just going to shove it in my mouth. Yeah. I'm going to go with the red velvet next.
Dami kong tea. I have so much tea. This is panna cotta. Panna cotta next. It's okay.
Oh, that's enough. I'll have that now.
Ano lang to? Jelly. Like it? I need it to be a little bit sweeter and creamier. Jam. What jam is this? Huh? Is it?
Yes. Or maybe raspberry. A sweet jam.
Yeah, because strawberry for me is a little bit more tart.
Very tart.
Sweet tart. Tell me like that to me. What is cringe? This is a really nice cafe. Nakita ko lang to sa Google when I was looking for cafes and tea places. It's called Crumble. They speak English here, so madaling makipag-communicate. Naubos namin. See? Ubos lahat. Matt love this. Yung mulled wine. We'll try that at home. Tapos, may tea pa ako natira. And chai tea. Hindi ko na kaya. I'm so full. Nakita na namin yung cafe apartment. First floor, Marsh Grand Bar. And then, I'm guessing mostly restaurant, babe.
Yeah,
Up to 8th floor.
maybe, yeah.
It's so tiny. May malaking Uniqlo.